Hello everyone, today let I help you integrate API sourcebook with the library of Gutendex. This this API help you sort for the book free. This is inspired license, so you can use this book to convert to audio to post from Facebook, post from TikTok. Okay, like the last result will you will see right here. I can click the link review, and for now I see on the book. Okay, today let I help you integrate this API, and this API 100% free. Okay, the first of all I need to create book service. I will copy my function like here, and I have this, and you need to copy this record. This is back for response, and I will copy this function. This function helps you fill in your some param to get this. Okay, the next thing I will di this get service. Okay, we change this one and copy this library. I have a book class. This class will show receive the param type is a very string. It's a very from here and pay size for begin. I need to create this function, right? And I have a interface. I have a interface cat service, so you can copy here from here to using memory cat. Or if you using Reddit, you can create new class and using interface cat service. Okay, the next thing I need to create a function, and I will copy it. I have two applications, so I need to check this time. I have already mapped in the response for you, so you just using it. Okay, I have this library, this class. I will put in it. I have this library. You can create this model. I get photo. You can get this class in here. I will add folder log and create the item log request base for now. In this here, create this log to save to database with request response cost and the time to duration. The next thing is I need to create gateway connect helper. I need to create this gateway connect helper to call in API. So you need to, and for now, you just copy this and it will work for you like here. Okay, for now I have this library for gateway connect helper. So I need to join this book item, right? Book clone to change here, and it need to. Okay, for now I have the API book clone for call API to Gutendex. Okay. The next step is you need to register HTTP client factory for Gateway Helper Connect. And then here I will here I need to register a clone and identifiable clone for this class and create new controller And okay, I already create this API and for now I need to test it, right? We will do that and try it out. Okay, for now I have it returned for title, the authors, and the thumbnail for you. The thumbnail is mean the image for display in your front end. And you have a pay count, category, and a return for you sell ability. This is a free ebook. And I return for you a review link. It means the Gutendex will return the file TT for you. So user go to it. So follow it. Okay, it returned for you. This this link user redirect for this link and it will return full the book for you. Okay. Thank you for your watching my video.